Hey Armies and hey Marias, today I will be sharing with you how you will be able to register for your BTS pop-up store visit. So all you have to do is to go to their website. You can actually see it from the Facebook page of Morning K All, and you just need to search for the May 22 post, wherein it will give you the link for the morning call pop-up reservation. Now it will redirect you to the website, and this is how it should look like. Once you are in the website, all you have to do is to go to reservations in order for you to be able to see the available slots for the following week. However, if you are not visiting the website on a Wednesday, then these are the things that you will see. They're all sold out. Again, because it is important that you will only pre-register on every Wednesday before the week that you prefer, I would highly suggest that for the time being, you go ahead and create your login. So here you can use Facebook, Twitter, or Google login, and it is already saved with my Facebook account. And this is how it looks like because I was already able to reserve 6 slots for June 17. So how do you do a reservations? All you have to do is to create an account, and on the day itself that you wish to make a reservation, which is definitely a Wednesday, all you have to do is to just log in. This will allow you to save the address that you will be sending the product to, although there's technically no product. This is just for the application to consider your mailing address or shipping address and also your contact details. This is what you need so that your transaction will go through immediately without the need to be asked kasi baka maubusan ka ng slot if you are going to register on the same exact day na magre-reserve ka. Alright? Now, let's say it's already a Wednesday and you are very much excited because kailangan mo talagang mag-abang. Kailangan mo mag-abang ng 8:45 pa lang kasi 9, the moment it hits 9, agawan na ng slot Mars. So, ganito yung itsura niya kapag inopen mo yung reservation on a Wednesday ng 8:59. Makikita mo dito yung petsa as well as yung mga oras na pwede mong pagpilian. So, kung ako sa'yo, screenshot mo na yan para makapili ka. So, ako, 5:45 to 6:30 yung pinili ko kasi 45 minutes ka lang pwede mag-shop, including yung pagbabayad. Pero hindi naman sila sobrang higpit. Meron ka pang extra 15 minutes para magbayad kung nakapila ka na sa counter. So, you can only reserve one slot at a time. So, I actually had to do it around 6 times because there will be 6 of us. So, you have to click add to cart and then continue with the reservation process and then just repeat it. Ito na yung next step after mo mag-add to cart. It will ask you to go continue shopping or go to cart. Of course, go to cart ka kasi kailangan mong i-continue or i-make sure na yung reservation mo ay mag-proceed. So, just click proceed to check out. And then, it takes a little time kasi there's a lot of people using the website. And then, once it is done, you're supposed to get a message like this asking you to confirm your order. See, kung hindi mo to pinare-register yung iyong login, then you have to fill it up pa. Baka maubusan ka ng slot kung gagawin mo pa yan. And then, this is the last page or the summary page and just have to click complete order para maging valid na yung iyong pre-registration. And then, maglo-load lang siya and makikita mo na yung confirmation message ng thank you that you were able to reserve a slot on that specific date and time. Now, again, just have to repeat it several times if there are multiple people attending, and you will receive an email confirming that. So, these are the emails I got for 6 reservations. And when you open it, makikita mo dun yung details na kailangan ng personnel or admin dun sa mismong pop-up shop para mabigyan ka nila ng queue number. So, basically, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and sana nakatulong to para makapagpa-reserve na kayo at ma-visit nyo na ang BTS pop-up store sa Mega Mall. So, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! able to finish. Say hi to the vlog, guys. So it's not obvious we are wearing our butter shirt. Yes, and showing the stuff you bought. Yeah, so we're now heading home. It was exactly an hour, and we'll show you later what are the things that we got.
Dad, can you put the volleyball? Oh, sorry.
And we also have our BTS meal.
You don't know how many times I've played this in front of my family, and they said, change the song.
Are we happy?
Yes! We're in euphoria.
Yes! You are the cause of my euphoria.
Wrong song.
So let's do one sauce at the same time. So let's do sweet chili first.
Sweet chili first.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, this is sweet chili.
Okay. And then that's it.
Oh my god, there's like a
Very? It reminds me of Jufran, I'm sorry. But it don't taste like a regular
nugget.
I mean a regular sauce. Everything's the same. It's just a sauce, but tastes like the Heinz sweet chili sauce.
Heinz, yeah.
Dough bananas. Banana chilies.
The banana.
Papa ketchup.
Yeah.
That's the new
one. Right? To add something.
So let's move on to the Cajun then.
Cajun. They say the Cajun is better.
This is everyone's favorite, so let's try.
Yeah. Okay.
I hope this is better.
Is this the sauce that they use in
So much better.
Is it? This is really good. I really like it.
It's not that spicy, plus...
Right?
I think it's mustard. Milo?
It's like... But it's way better than the sweet chili.
It's like honey mustard and normal mustard.
Yeah, like nothing special with the... Yeah, honey mustard
Honey
sauce
mustard.
with a little spices.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it's really good. I really like how they did this for the packaging too. This must have costed a lot too.
They no straws at the end still?
Yeah.
No BTS straws.
I think they just like run out.
No, they could have made the purple metal straw. It could have been better,
but
right?
metal
Because
straw is-
metal straws
straw
is
is
good
expensive.
now because of the
Yeah.
pandemic, right? Not disposable. I think they did not think it through. They just said, we already paid you so much, we cannot make a new meal. Right? We can just change the packaging.
At least they changed the packaging.
So let's vote who prefers the sweet chili. No. Who prefers the Cajun?
Yes.
Yes, the Cajun wins. So that ends our vlog for today. How is our experience?
It was great. It was good. Tiring, but I think it was worth it.
It's a little bit of rush, isn't it? Going there, time limit, excuse me, time to pay. Excuse me, have to go.
During the whole time of us being there, I felt as if I was BTS in America. Like I was like standing there like
Like it's a different world, right?
Exactly.
Like, oh, really?
I was like Taehyung ordering an Oreo McFlurry, which by the way, McDonald's idea tire me.
Oh, we still have our Panda Express.
Oh yes.
Panda